What I did when I first got here was I said, I'm going to go see every single one of our manufacturing sites here in the U.S. within the first 90 days. What I saw was the culture come to life. Prior to Midmark, I started after the Air Force, after 9 years in the military. They taught me all of the values that I have: integrity first, service before self, excellence in all you do. It's very results-oriented. But Midmark had more horizons for me. Patients and caregivers, it's at the heart of everything we do. Designing better care because we care. I'm like, I have to join this company. It is something special, and I wanted to be a part of it. My wife and I, we moved to Versailles. We got to be a part of course, the football games, and we've had an opportunity to go to what Midmark sponsors as community meals. And that has been a tremendous opportunity for us as well. It's a joy when you're here, even on a Friday, and you see other teammates wearing their high school's colors and all these state championships and all the pride in what we have here in Versailles. It's so good, and it's good to be home. I don't want to see all this goodness that I see. I don't want to keep that all to myself. I want other people to see it as well. We have a fully automated line now. It grew so fast, it got ahead of us. So we had to say, hey, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna react quickly? Well, we needed more space. We did a lot of homework, and then we created a plan which will really set us up for the next 20 years. I'm very excited about where we're going there. This is an opportunity, a revenue generating opportunity. Let's invest there. Let's forego those other plans. Let's go right here. They're taking it now to the next level. You've already experienced Midmark. We touch over 10 million lives a day. You've probably sat on one of our tables in a doctor's office, or maybe sat in a chair at a dental office, or you're a vet. The statements that are made about a company match with how people operate. They care deeply about each other, care deeply about the customer, and then care deeply about the communities in which we live and work. Even this morning, there was a few people talking, and I'm like, hey, Bill, tell Lisa how long you've been working here. And he's like, 47 years. Hey, Larry, how long you been working here? 40 years. Hey, Ken DeManch, how long you been working here? 40 years. That's uncommon. It's nothing like I've ever seen before. A lot of people talk about who they are. We walk the walk.